Hey guys, wanted to do a review on the Shimano, I hope I'm saying that right, Shimano standard brake cable set. I just used it to change my rear brake cable for my bike, and this bike is an Avico Open Force something. I got this bike probably over 10 years ago. I don't even think they make them anymore. I was kind of worried about if these brake cables would fit, but this said it was a universal brake cable set. I took a chance and tried it, and it fit perfectly. All the parts fit, everything worked. It comes with two stainless steel cable wires. One of them's 2,050 millimeters, the other one's 1,000, and a black cable housing that's 2,200 millimeters. And it says it's lined with a slick polymer shield to assist with smooth cable movement. Also comes with 4 ferrules and 2 cable tips. The cables seem like they're high quality. So yeah, if you need to replace a brake cable on your bicycle, I would highly recommend this. So whether you've got a mountain bike or a road bike, it should work for you. I'll put a link in the description below where I got them on Amazon. Everything seemed high quality, everything fit like it was supposed to. So anyways, that's my 2 cents. If you use these before, leave a comment below, let me know how you like them. If you want to see my video on how to replace your rear brake cable, I'll put the link in the description in the comments below. Also, just to mention that I'm a real estate agent in the Middle Tennessee area. So if you live in the Nashville or Middle Tennessee area and you're going to need a real estate agent, send me an email at DerekHardingRealEstate@gmail.com and I'll be glad to help out with that. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.